हट जा बेटा। याग्नि इसे हटा लूँ, इधर करूँ थोड़ा। चलो।
Good morning, all of you. Today I am here to express the demonstration of the rainwater harvesting.
So the mechanism of rainwater harvesting is, as you are seeing that we are collecting rainwater in a rooftop, then the water is transported into tank through pipe. After that we have to perform a filtration process for use of fresh water, and it is also used for irrigation and washing toilets and clothes.
Here is the simple demonstration of rainwater harvesting. But the real question is, does this type of methods really help us? The overconsumption and overexploitation of natural resources, until we must stop this until this type of methods can't be used, because this type of methods can be solve our problems up to the surface level, but deeply our problem is with the overconsumption and overexploitation. We must stop the overconsumption and exploitation. Thank you.
Good morning, respected principal ma'am, revered teachers, and my dear schoolmates. I am Ananya Vadia from class 12 science. I would like to express my views on the topic water conservation through solar energy. Solar energy, a beacon of hope in the way to conserve water. Imagine a world where the sun's rays not only power our homes and businesses, but it also uh, it also helps the it also helps to generate electricity. Solar energy without water consumption, minimal usage of water during the manufacturing. It helps and it promotes a sustainable water secure world. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, respected principal ma'am, teachers and my dear friends. Today we are going to explain the working model of rain and wind energy electricity generation, which means how we can generate electricity from wind energy and hydel energy.
Firstly, the water gets collected in the first tank and then passed on to the second tank, and then which is passed into the substation.
And then in this substation, water gets collected. After collecting this water, that water gets converted into hydel energy. And the wind energy collected from the windmills is also passed into a generator. Then this generator converts the wind energy and hydel energy into electricity, which is further passed on to in our homes.
By this processes, everyone can get an easy access to electricity and no one can get the acute shortage of it. Thank you and have a nice day.
Until the last drip dries and the Mother Nature cries.
I think we won't realize our precious water price. Good morning to one and all present here, respected principal ma'am, worthy teachers and my dear friend. I am Ayushi Kumari of class 10th along with my classmate Nandini Joshi. We are here to conclude you about the program conducted by CBSE, commonly known as the Jal Doot program.
What is the Jal Doot program? The program aims at creating student champions who will provide an assessment of piped water supply schemes in their localities, among other activities like ambassadors of conservation of water, water quality and water conservation, etc.
Under the Jal Doot program, the Minister of Rural Development has developed a Jal Doot app which will be used across the India, which will give us a capacity of us a capture of water level of selected wells in a village. Water is clearly a mystery to me. A solid, a liquid, a gas, it's all three.
Freeze it, warm it, boil it, you will see a water is clearly mystery to me.
Under the Jal Doot programs, there are several pointers such as water conservation and rainwater harvesting. Water conservation and rainwater harvesting reduces the chances of soil erosion and flooding. Rainwater harvesting system has a bed at the top of areas and the roof.
Renovation of traditional and other water bodies. Regeneration of groundwater and arresting runoff is known as renovation of water bodies. It promotes activities related to water management and conservation.
Water reuses. The uses of water generally means wastewater is usually used in the beneficial purposes such as toilet cleaning, street washing and fire controls.
Intensive afforestation. Afforestation is planting of trees to increase the forest cover. This is a measure taken to protect and conserve our environment from the harmful effects of pollution and human development. At last, we want to say that
Today there is water when we turn the tap on. But what will we do when the water is gone?
water is simple, water is free. Water can help our lives, the lives of you and me. Thank you.